Are you having fun, everyone? Nalinaw na ang tanan? Of course, thank you so much, Barangay Luyang, for having me here tonight. Once again, I am Alexis Bacalso, your newly recognized Cebu Winnigalo's event, and at the same time, your iconic host of the northern part of Cebu. Thank you always, everybody! Ang inyong tag 100 ka ticket nga nahimong passport or ticket para makasunta rather sa concert for a cost ni Jelly o ni Rafi, dako kay ng tabang sa umaabot ng competition nga iyang apilan dito sa Long Beach, California, which is the World Championship of Performing Arts. A round of applause, everyone! Of course, dapat no, we are very much lucky kay thousands of Filipinos kani audition, and luckily naadini sa lungsod sa Carmen, specifically sa Barangay Luyang, nagagikan rather ang umaabot nga participante sa mga competition. So ato tagahan sa masipang pakpak, everyone. Daghan kayong salamat. Maglingaw ta, magpadayon na sa paglingaw, hangtod mahuman ang giandam. Of course, this is going to be a music festival. Kay daghan kayo tayong mga performers we have coming from the Tawag ng Tanghalan, Pilipinas Got Talent, and many more later on, everyone. So sit back, relax, and of course, let us enjoy the rest of the evening. And at this one in time, everyone, let us be entertained by a dance number coming from Barkadahan One Performing Arts.